Hi, Laura here. Today we are, because it's a collab video, we are going to do a Christmas look because it's now December. So I'm doing this with Faithful Fab 9, a group I've done a few collabs with now. And I will leave all their links down below for you, so you can go and check out lots of different Christmas looks, and maybe you might like to try some of them out. I don't know. But I'm going to use my TG OMFG2 Shocking Bites palette. And in this palette, for my new project pan that I'm doing, I got this colour here. So I'm going to base my look around that colour, just because I haven't hardly used any of them yet. So I'm going to go in with that red and put it in my crease. Oh, I just need to tap out my eye primer there. So I'm going for a red Christmas look. I was watching Christina do swatches on the Revolution Christmas palettes from various years, and one of them she was doing was the emerald one from last year, which I actually have, and I haven't used it yet, but once I saw the swatches it was like, oh, I need to use that, so I almost did a green look, but I'd already decided I wanted to do a red look, so I was like, no, I'm going to stick with what I was thinking I was doing. But I definitely want to use that palette. That went up kind of high, didn't it? I'm going to go into the white. Hopefully it won't go pink. Just to blend out the top bit there. It's not the best red, I don't think, this particular one. I've got another TG palette that has a red I absolutely love, which is really good and works really well. I think it works better than this one. So if I was choosing a red out of the TG palettes, it would be that one, not this one. But this is the one I randomly got, so this is the one I'm using. And I want something deeper in the outer corner, but there isn't anything in this palette that I want to use, so what do I want to use instead? I might try my e.l.f. J Kisser one. I might try this one. Let me swatch it. I haven't actually used the reds in here yet. Yeah, I think I might try this one. I'm going to sneeze. Okay, turns out I'm going to cough. That's what that looks like. And I want to use this silver. You can see I've dug into this a little bit because it is actually a really nice silver. And I'm just going to use a flat brush, just dropping brushes in my lap. And I am going to spray this, but I'm just going to start off with it not sprayed. So that's not sprayed, but you can see how pretty it is. The reason why I'm starting out with it not sprayed is because I want to be able to just blend those two colours a little bit. And by not spraying it, I can do that. And just go over it a little bit with the darker red. It's just feeling red and silver vibes today. I don't know why, but that's what I was thinking for a Christmas look. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the silver again and spray my brush. So I haven't really thought that much about Christmas yet, I have to admit. See what that looks like. I have started my Christmas shopping this week. I haven't got too much Christmas shopping to do because we're not buying for some people. We decided last year as a family that we would only buy presents for the extended family, for like the kids and that, instead of all the adults as well, because it was just getting a bit too much. Okay. I am getting a bit carried away with the silver, so I'm going back in with that darker red. I'm going to go in with my Essence Very Fantastic pencil underneath, and just a bit on the outer corner. So that's what I've got so far. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and then I'll come back. So all these ladies are wonderful ladies. They're all small YouTubers like myself, and they're all very supportive and they love chatting in the comments, and we're all quite different, so we all do different looks, and we do some of the same things. Like some of us are into panning, and some of us are into shop my stashes, and some of us are into looks, and so we all do slightly different things but all makeup related. So go check them out if you haven't already, because they're well worth watching. So in our Faithful Fab 9 group, there is Beth from the Betsy79, and there is Dede from Dede Decorte on YouTube. There's Faye Blatcher. There is Jennifer Miller, who is known as Amethyst Winters on YouTube. There's Natasha, which is LIlmsnat on YouTube. And Shaneill. Why do I always have trouble with your name, Shaneill? Who is EY Beauty. She's changed her name, which is the name of her beauty company, because she makes some cosmetics as well. There's Theresa, and there's Dezi from Dezi's Corner. So that's what I'm looking like so far, nice and Christmassy and red. And I'm going to go in with my Focal or Diamond liquid eyeshadow. Apparently my brain just couldn't think of a word. And it's white, but it's got kind of different, it's got green and gold and pink, purple, and I want to put that here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's so pretty. This is why I don't like using my finger, because I've just spread that everywhere. I'm going to have a very glittery under eye now. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. So sparkly. You've got to have some sparkle for Christmas. You just have to. Okay, my hair's being weird, but I'm just going to ignore that. So here is my final look for a Christmas look for this year with the Faithful Fab 9 group. And I will leave all the other ladies linked below, as I said before, and go check them out down in the description box. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.